you don't know, is the CEO of Dtravel, and she's also an Airbnb superhost and has some apartments in Canada on Dtravel. And she's got pink hair. So why wouldn't you want a CEO who has pink hair? That's the real question. You would. They are, but what was the question? Are the pools full? Okay, so someone asked a question and I answered it. So, hello, I have put TRVL into staking. I can't find it. Please help. I responded, did you have the same wallets, same chain? He responded to me saying, I was just about to restack. Are all the pools full? Aha. Now Cynthia responds to him, they are, but we're going to be introducing some interesting staking mechanisms very soon. Full details will be in the Tokenomics document coming out in the next few weeks. This is the news that we've all been waiting for. The new Tokenomics document. This is the spoiler. So the new Tokenomics document will be introducing the idea of some interesting staking mechanisms. And Paul writes, I knew it. So there you go. That is the spoiler. So if you guys aren't on the Telegram, you should get on Telegram, because that's where you get all the up-to-date information. And look at this. New travel direct booking site activated. A property manager just launched a new vacation rental powered by Dtravel Direct with listings in Braille. Let's have a look. Can you see it? Let me see if you can see it. No, you probably can't. Let me change my window so you can see it. There you go. See it now. Oh, Romania. So this is what a Dtravel. This is a brand new Dtravel property. Look at this. Romania. You want to go? Check this out. The Amber panoramic apartment self check-in. It's nicer. Look at that. It looks nice. I'd stay there. £54 a night. How much is it in travel? Oh, what team? Why is there BUSD here? You need to get rid of that. Right. 2,199 TRVL per night. Let's go for a week. Oh god. Oh, I have discounts. That's good. Oh, my discounts. And yeah. One king bed, one couch. Amber panoramic apartment is situated in Braille, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce that. This apartment features air conditioning, floor heating, free Wi-Fi, washer, dryer, and dishwasher. The apartment has one bedroom, one bathroom, walk-in closet, and a grand open space living room with a fully equipped kitchen and an amazing city view from each room. The location is in the city centre within 1 to 2 minute walk from taxis, public transport. So this is great. So this is Romania, huh? Look. Oh, there it is. Look how great Dtravel is. Like, someone has just come onto the website for free, no cost to them. They've launched their site, and now I can book their apartment, and I can pay in crypto, and this is on chain. I can pay in fiat as well. It's on chain, peer-to-peer booking, and the insurance package is better than Airbnb. Better than Airbnb. This. Credit card. Okay, so they don't accept TRVL yet. So this is what the wallet as a service is going to change, because at the moment you need a MetaMask connected to your vacation rental to accept crypto. When wallet as a service is launched, I was expecting it to be launched today, but maybe it's next week. Then everyone will have the ability to accept crypto. Book. Vacation, amenities, policies. So this is it. This is Dtravel. This is the new listing. I just found that from the Telegram. Let's go back to the Telegram group. Let me switch. New operator sign up. New operator sign. Look at this. New hosts signing up. New bookings are coming online. If I go up, look, new operator sign up. What else is there? Scroll up. It's starting to get really busy. I mean, look, new booking process. New booking process. This is what I want. I want to see what was booked. I want a link to the property. This is what they need to do. Give me a link to the property so I can click on it, because maybe I want to book it. And it's free advertising as well. Like, I mean, you can have this to an opt-in feature if people want to stay anonymous, but I would opt in, because if I got a booking, I want people to click on it and see what's just been booked. This is exciting. So yeah, definitely get onto the Telegram group if you're not on it, and then we can chat there as well. We can have a conversation. We'll go back to TRVL. I'll go back to my MEX and show you my higher time frame analysis. So it's interesting that different exchanges are telling you slightly different things. Obviously on KuCoin we've just come into this trend line. On MEX we've already broken that trend line. So I think what we need is for the exchanges to start saying the same thing and to be on the same page. This kind of like, this is the weekly time frame. You see this kind of candle in the highs pushing up. That's like a market buy. That's what that reflects. It would be very different if this was at the top of an extended rally. Very different. Like if I was to reverse it now and show you what I mean. this was a normal chart, this was a reverse, and you saw this candle, that's like someone has market sold. These aren't bullish. I mean, in this context, if this was normal, if you saw that at the point of control like that, you'd expect the price to go down. You wouldn't expect the price to go up. That's what I'm saying. Because it's like someone sold. The people who buy take profit and the price just falls. The wick fills and then you're looking for lower prices. So in the context of what I'm talking about, which is the reverse, so this is correct now. This isn't bearish in my mind. This is actually bullish. Yeah. Like I see this as bullish. I don't see this as bearish. I don't know if anyone agrees with me. And it's the same thing which I was saying before in the stream. When you've got this value area high, it's an actual level. See that? That's the top of your value area, and the price goes all the way through it, and it trades back down, obviously. But there's no respect. When you get like lines which aren't respected, levels which aren't respected like that, if the price has gone up and has stopped at the value area high, or even front run, so it didn't even reach the value area high, I'd be more concerned. I'd be a lot more concerned, yeah? And the way it works is that people put orders at these levels, and when the price trades through them like this, and the further it goes, the less respect there is. It means there weren't enough orders to hold the price down. And so sometimes you get the price come to certain levels and it never even reaches the level because there was so many orders at that level that the price couldn't get through the block of liquidity to get to the level before it reversed. This is the other way around. There was no liquidity, and price just flipped, just washed through it, and until it finally got to liquidity, and so there was no respect. So basically, I think what's going to happen is when the price starts to move, it's going to move up very quickly, because it's a very illiquid. The liquidity's been taken. That's what I'm saying, you know, and you have to be aware of that. And we look at this volume profile. We're building an accumulation profile at the lows, and ultimately, you know, I don't want, like, I mean, I think a lot of people are looking at all the other altcoins and they're going, you know, I want this to get to 100x tomorrow. I want to, you know, I want a Ferrari, I want a Lamborghini, whatever. You know, Dtravel and TRVL is a movement. It's much deeper, and it's going to become much more profound than you realize. This isn't just another like altcoin or whatever. Or this isn't just another meme or just another way that you can buy a Lamborghini or whatever in the future. Yeah, we're building a network of peer-to-peer listings and properties and vacation rentals in the real world. This is a real world product. This is a real world asset. Go and have a look. I have a Dtravel listing with a website with 3 listings on it in London, in England. I've had 13 bookings in the last just over a year, and it's all peer-to-peer. And I've been in beta. Most of that's been in beta, but I'm processing a Dtravel guest next week, actually 2 next week after the New Year's. They booked with me directly on the blockchain, on chain. I think it's on chain actually. No, they paid by card. That's not on chain yet, but it would be on chain in the future. The point is that everyone who has a home in the world will be able to create a Dtravel listing for their property. Every single person. It's going to be decentralized. There will be no central ownership. they'll be able to rent out their property to their friends, to their family, to strangers, to guests, everyone. And that will be insured as well. There's an insurance package which is covered by Superhog, which is better than Airbnb. I can imagine a future where people won't be on Airbnb and they'll be on Dtravel, and they'll participate in this movement that we're creating. This is going to be big. This is very different to all the other ideas out there. This is very unique, and so I think I would encourage everyone, if they to go and have a look and have a read on their website, and then come into the Telegram group and ask your questions. And the biggest news is that the tokenomics is changing. The tokenomics is changing, and this is going to become a long hold with a massive utility. And ultimately, what I'm seeing is a future where this is going to be a chain agnostic store of value, where you can use it for basically for travel. It's going to be for all of those digital nomads out there. They're going to be like storing their value in TRVL. It's their go-to. They're the ones who are going to be the most, who are going to gain the most from this. Because right now, I mean, Bitcoin is perceived as a store of value. Never was a store of value. It started out as a form of electronic payment, peer-to-peer payment, but it was too slow, or it was too costly, and then they changed their narrative. They pivoted to what it became, which is a store of value, and that's how they pushed their idea. What we have here with Dtravel could be the same thing, but it will be chain agnostic. So it won't be like you have to change wallets to have a store of value. You can have a store of value in TRVL on Polygon, or on Binance, or on Ethereum, or on any other chain. Eventually, I imagine a future where travel is on every chain, and it'll be the choice of, it'll be and it'll be secured by this network of properties in the real world. And not only will you be able to use your TRVL to pay, but also you'll be able to use it to stake, and stake to earn more TRVL, and also because of the growing network and the network effect, the growth of the network and the volume of the network, which is going to be increasing, your value will increase over time too, and that's going to be exponential, and it's going to be backed by that idea. And so I've seen this work in beta, I've seen this work live, and I'm seeing now how more and more hosts, operators are coming on board. I'm starting to see more and more transactions of people making bookings and using this, and it works. It's a working product. The product is a finished product, and the only thing that people don't know is what this is. So that's what I'm telling you. And once the AI search engine is finally released, and that's probably going to be the end of March, then the whole world will know. And I think it's a good idea for a lot of people, if they're interested, to start getting themselves involved now. And I think we can create a really big movement where we can just hodl this all the way, and we can buy the dip along the way as well. And that's what I'm encouraging us all to do. Let's buy and hold and buy the dip. Yeah, let me see if isn't there anything on. Oh look, the price has gone up a little bit more. That's good. I like to see the price go up. What I want to see is, I want to see this this for, oh hold on, I've got a phone call. No worries. All right. What we need to see is this candle reversed. This big candle. Now that is going to be the best case scenario. So on every exchange, what you want to see is in the same time frame, you want to see a full reversal of that candle. So you go to every single exchange, it's going to have a similar style candle, high volume candle, and you just need that reversed. You just need a close above the high of that candle, so the volume of that candle is being reversed. And once you get that, a little back test, and that basically that candle now becomes your SR flip. It becomes your structural SR flip, and that's basically what we're looking for right now. So that's what the bulls have to do. That they have to prove themselves as well, you know, and like the bears have to prove themselves. So the bulls, we have to get the price up there, little back test, and then we have this becomes our support, this whole block, and it's actually much further. It's much further. The whole thing becomes our support, our platform, you know, and then we can make a move up to the next level. And I mean, ideally, that's what we want. We want to go up like that. We want to go up in. Not working now. It's not working. Get above there, consolidate. We just want to go up in like these kind of levels and start working our way up now. So once we do that, we'll be in the next level, and yeah, that'll be good. Right, I might stream later on again, and thank you for joining me if you have joined.